Yo, what's good guys? The Car Addict here, back again with another fitted cap video. I know lately I haven't been posting any car content as I have been enchanted by these caps. As you can see here, I picked up another cap. This is the New York Mets from Topper Store Coffee Edition cap. If you haven't already seen the review on this cap, check it out. It's on my channel. But today we're going to do a quick little tutorial on how to bend your brim on a fitted cap. So we'll try it on this one. This cap is brand new, and as you can see, let me try it on. It does not look as good as it could be compared to as if it's bent. Depending on the person, actually. I mean, take a look at this. Okay, my Inland Empire cap. Got some nice pins here I got from Hawaii. Check this side out. Badfish era cap. Really cool hat. Minor league stuff with the black UV. Nothing too crazy, but that front logo though. That front logo is on hit. Not gonna lie. Here's the cap that we're gonna be bending today. You can probably already hear the steamer going up. It's just a random steamer, a generic one that I bought from Amazon. And of course, we're gonna go with stickers off of this cap before the bend process. If I can just take these stickers off. There we go. Take this one as well. Let's keep it here for now. And looks like the steamer is already going. Another thing that you'll need is a water bottle. So let's try it out. I'm gonna try to steam the cap here. Ooh, water. Try to get the underside of the brim. Get it nice and moist. So your goal here is just to get the cardboard inside the brim soft enough and moist enough to bend, as you can see there. Okay. Once you have it damp enough, which I do, doesn't take too long, you're gonna grab your water bottle. You're gonna bend the cap right on it, just like so. Hold on to the sides. Make sure the front part is held. And we're gonna hold this for about 30 seconds here. Okay, that should be about 30 seconds. And here is the result, guys. Look at that. Perfect bend on this fitted cap here. As you can see, let me get the light on this side. Voila. Let's try it on actually. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me get the lighting right for you guys. Sorry about that. Whoa. So much better compared to a flat brim. I like it so much more. It's definitely more sophisticated looking. And it's just smooth, you know, with your really bright UV there, that solar orange type with the brown, coffee brown hat with the Mets logo right here. Super cool hat, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this tutorial. It's my first time actually doing this, so give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think on the comments below. Car Addict out. Peace.